How would you like to send out 6 to 8 emails and generate $19,000 in just a short window of time? How would you like that? Well, I think we all would like that. And I had one of my private clients that just did that. And I wanted to give you the play-by-play so you can go implement this yourself. Here's what it is. It's what we call our profit push email sequence. And here's how it works. Number one is we gotta have an offer, a really good offer. That offer can be 30% off, 20% off, buy one, get one free, free shipping, any of that stuff, but it's gotta be a good offer. The next thing is we need to have a reason. In this case, it was like kickoff to summer or kickoff to Christmas. Anything that we can come up with, we wanna have a reason why. The next thing is we want a start time and an end time. So we want a deadline. And then from there, we want to send out emails on a regular basis within that time so we can remind them that the thing is happening and that also it's ending. And then the very last day, we are going to send 3 emails, and we're going to send one in the morning, one in the afternoon, and one at night to remind them that it's expiring. That, my friends, is how you run a profit push email promo. Give it a try. So if you enjoyed this and you want help building your list and marketing to your list, you can go right now and download our 100-page email list building playbook guide. Head on over to emaillistplaybook.com, and that is the playbook that we use with all of our private clients, all of our students. Go check it out. For less than a cup of coffee, you can get the playbook right now. Go check it out.